What's going on, everybody? Jamie here from the Brick Shack, and today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite themes of all time with Lego, and it's like a sub-theme of space, and it's Ice Planet 2002. These sets are, I love them. They're amazing. I think, with the blue, the white, and the trans neon orange, like it really does pop, and yeah, these are just great sets. So I do have the complete theme, but two of them I cannot find, which are the Ice Planet scooter and the Ice Planet satellite plow. I have them somewhere, but I can't find them, so I thought, you know what, I'll just make this video anyway, and I'll find them later. So let's get started. So these ones here, actually, I have to find, there's a orange antenna for these, like these ones, but these were great little sets. 49 parts, one minifig, came out in 93. The back actually comes off like you can see in the picture, and it's like a little satellite. I got a few of those. Very, very cool. Like, I love the printed pieces there. Even the figures, like the white helmets with the trans neon orange part in the front there, the visor. I think it's very, very cool. And I love, the chainsaw piece too in trans neon orange. And the snowshoes as well. I think those are very, very cool. So yeah, so there's those. And here's a little on the ice tunnellator, I guess it's called. 19 parts, one minifigure. This actually came in a box. I thought it would have, nowadays it would have been a poly bag. But just a cute little set. He's got his chainsaw there to rip through the ice and all that. And the snow, ice. And the one thing I do like about a lot of these sets are these big white, like the space tires. I just think they look really cool in that color. And I think they did a really good job with that little one. And then the one back here is a Blizzard Baron. So this was 76 parts, one minifig, came out in 93. This one's really cool. I'm actually trying to find more of these. But the prices for them are just, now the price for this is upward of 40 plus. Shipping, so it's a little much, but yet again, it's a great set. Yeah, it's got the long, I love these old orange antennas. It's got a little computer screen in the back there, which that was pretty cool. And then the skis, the snowshoes again, sorry, those are really awesome. So yeah, so I thought that was a pretty cool set too. Now excuse me, this set was my favorite out of the whole theme. The Ice Satin V, 129 pieces, one minifig, 93 came out, but it just looks so cool. You got 4 wheels on each side there. It's so neat. Let me move this. Like this opens up. You got a guy in there. You got the antenna that moves. And you got this that opens up. Comes out the rocket with the magnet. You can move the rocket wherever. Comes off, which I thought these were really cool how they did them as well. But yes, this was definitely my favorite set of the theme. I just thought it was really cool. Actually, and then you take it off. Come on, there we go. And it goes up like that. It goes all the way, and it will release and stay on the ground, which is really cool. And you got that there. I don't know, I just thought that this was a great set. You get a lot of play out of it. I remember trying to get as many of these as I could when I was a kid. And I think I had about 4 or 5, and then I don't know if I sold them at a garage sale, I don't know, but I only have 3 left, and that's fine. Definitely want to grab more, but yet again, it's one of those sets where it's getting really hard to find complete on Bricklink for a decent price. Unfortunately, the fear that there are of any set means it's harder there to find the more rare, so people try to sell them for some of them crazy, silly, stupid prices. So yeah. And then after that, you got this ugly, ugly ship, the Deep Freeze Defender. My God, this thing is ugly. But it's so ugly you have to have it in your collection. And it's really cool because these come out into a separate thing with skis, and they can go off. Like these go up. Yeah, so this was 399 parts, 3 minifigures. Same thing, came out in 93. But yeah, just a lot of play features. Like this opens up here. And then this opens up as well. And you put a little ship in there. So that was really cool. And I like how they used the garage door pieces, and then they also had them come in trans neon orange. But yeah, very cool ship. Very ugly, bulky, but it's just one of those things, like you got to have it in your collection. So it's pretty cool to have it. And surprisingly, this set you can still get pretty cheap. Like I had some for sale in my store for about 80. I see them on Bricklink for about between 80 and 110, which is really good considering how old these sets are. Alrighty, and the last one here is the Ice Station Odyssey base. So this was 324 parts, 3 minifigures again, and came out in 1993. And I love this set. This set is very, very cool. So you have the rocket here, and it moves, and it goes forward, and it goes back, which is pretty neat. You know, you got like the little laser beams here as like guarding, and go up, let people up and down. You got the really cool, nice quarter panels in the back in trans neon orange, which is awesome. You got that awesome snowplow piece that's printed that they use in this one as like a satellite, which is really cool. And then here, like this slides back and forth. You know, I can drop that in there, and I'm not breaking the pieces off the Lego. There we go, which is very cool. And then with that, you get like this little, I guess it's the carrier for the missile or the rocket or whatever. So that's pretty neat. And then you get that little one right there. I was trying to get a whole bunch of these, like just to find spare parts to grab them. But they're getting harder and harder to find, like I said. So if you guys collect this stuff or already have a lot of it, keep it, because it's getting harder and harder to find. So, but anyway, so yeah, the base is very cool. You get a lot for it. You can still get these online on Bricklink for about $120, which I think is a great price. There's a few Canadian sellers that have some still out west. So if you're looking for one, definitely grab one. So, but anyway, so here you go. So here is the whole collection of Ice Planet, Sub-Theme of Space, 2002. And they all came out in 1993. Hope you like this video. I'm definitely going to do more of the UFOs and other ones, so stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Ciao.